Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to share a screen on Google Meet. So first, you just have to log into your Google account and tap this icon here at the top right corner. You have to scroll down and look for Google Meet, that is beside Gmail. Okay, tap this one. Then here it is. Now you can choose this new meeting, or you can also tap this enter a code or link, especially if you're about to attend a meeting. Okay, so for new meeting, we have here create a new meeting for later, start an instant meeting, and schedule in Google Calendar. So if I'm going to tap this create a new meeting, all I have to do is simply copy this link and share it to my friends or to anyone. And if I tap the schedule in Google Calendar, then it will take me directly to my Google Calendar and set a schedule for that Google Meet. So it's up to me if I'm going to put a title or add a title for my Google Meet that will be happen soon or not. Okay, and then after that, adjust or edit something here, and then it's all set. Now we just have to wait for this time, for the specific date, and then the Google will remind you for this Google Meeting. Okay, so once done, all you have to do is to simply click save. And then, of course, you also have to copy the link of this Google Meeting and share it to anyone, to your friends or to your coworkers. Okay. And then last, we have here create an instant meeting. If you're going to tap this one, it will take you directly to the Google Meeting. Okay. All you have to do is to click allow, use your camera, use your microphone so that you can also interact with the people in this meeting. Okay. So click allow. And then after that, here it is. Now, here's the link. You can copy this and share it to anyone, to your friends, to your coworkers. Just copy this one. Also, you can invite anyone here, especially those people or coworkers or friends who want to join to your Google Meet. Okay, and then once done, just click got it, or you can tap X. So here it is. Now, in order for you to share your screen on your Google Meet, you just have to tap this icon here. And you have the options, your entire screen. Okay, if you tap this one, obviously you can share everything here and they can see your entire screen. Okay, so you are presenting your screen. So whatever you're doing right here, be careful with sharing this one because they can see everything here, your files. Okay, so just be careful. Make sure that everything is okay with sharing your entire screen. So the second we have here is a window. Okay, so it's okay if you choose this one because they can only see one side or they can't see the whole screen. They can only see the window or that specific area of your computer or your screen that you let them see or you allow them to see. The last one we have here is the tab. So this one is also safe. They can only see the part of your screen which you allow them to see. So those are the three options when you want to share screen using your Google Meet. But this is very easy and those options are very easy to use. Okay, so I do really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.